So, car wouldn't start. Alright, so tonight I am addressing the next issue. So this is just after I got my 123 electronic ignition installed, which I put some tinfoil around, and yeah, I know it looks ridiculous, but the tinfoil is going to get a little bit of heat barrier until I can do something more permanent. And I have read in the forums that sometimes the electronic ignition gets fried from how much heat is put against it right there on the side. So it came with a Bosch blue coil, higher voltage, so altogether better output, more reliable, a lot more timing advance, runs smoother. And here, this is the exhaust I just pulled out of there. It broke apart here, and then I tried to fix it with some stuff last night, but it's coming apart again. So today I went and I bought this. This is what's known as a record Monza style exhaust for the Fiat. So it's going to have two little exhausts instead of just the one. And it should sound a whole lot better, and obviously won't be so rusty. The engine's really loud, so it's kind of hard to actually hear the exhaust, but let's try. All dirty from me putting my hands all over it. She's a good girl, just needs attention. So I'm not sure what happened, but I lost a lot of my videos. The driving around with that exhaust on the car so that everyone could hear how it sounded running around, revving it up and all that, lost it, don't know what happened. Same thing with like the starter video. I was trying to show everybody how that starter on that car works, because it's a constant 12 volts on that, which is different than the way typical cars nowadays work. Would have been interesting to some people, but I lost it. So that brings us to our video sponsor. Please take the message seriously.
We're asking for donations towards the research of video loss prevention. Sometimes videos go missing for no reason at all. Think of the children. I mean, some of his videos are literally recorded on a potato. Like, who does that? Think about potatoes. They look yummy. They are yummy. Unless you boil them. Doesn't make sense. How can you record something on a potato? And just doesn't make sense how boring he makes them. How come me and my sister are never in the videos? Think about how boring it is, just cars driving around and nothing is amazing. Every time he makes a video, then it's about cars. But why does it have to be about cars? Can it be like pretty rainbows, deliciousness, oranges, or even potatoes? Like a potato, like why? Think of it, it's pretty boring. His videos are kind of boring, and he really needs to step up his game in making videos, because there's only like 6 people that watch his channel. He needs a lot more exciting stuff. They're really, really boring. So if you want him to make more exciting videos, you gotta donate. Okay, bye.